Crispy coconut chicken with real coconut flavor. Big chunks of breast meat is what you want for this, which you're never going to hear me say. I'm more of a thigh guy, but we're going to turn this flavorless breast meat into a coconut flavor bomb, starting with garlic and ginger. Soy sauce for salt, and we're going to start infusing coconut flavor now with coconut milk, but not all of it. We're going to use some of this later. And everybody knows you put the lime into coconut and drink it all up. Tequila is the alcohol that's going to draw all the flavor into that tasteless breast meat. A good mix and time will give this tasteless meat real flavor. We're making 2 dipping sauces for this. The first one is like that salad dressing you get every time you get sushi, with grated carrots, shallots, a bunch of ginger, and sweetened coconut will be disguised by the orange of the carrot. But you're going to know it's there. Rice wine vinegar and blend. That's going to be good. Dipping sauce number 1. The other dipping sauce is avocado, the rest of that coconut milk, cilantro, the zest and juice of a lime, if this lime had any juice. This is the driest lime I ever squeezed. Jalapeno, nah, habanero. A little water and blend. Boom. Sauce number 2. We're going to turn that marinade into a batter with an egg and cornstarch. It's like making tasty glue. This is sweetened coconut. That's not panko, that's desiccated coconut. That's panko, and it's going to add the crispy to our coating. See, they're all the same size. Can't even tell them apart. Reeks of coconut though. Of course we dredge them, but don't cook it right away. On a rack to rest so that coating will stick when we do fry it. Canola oil at 350 will keep things clean. Fry in batches, don't overcrowd the oil. You know that though. You're not getting that out of an air fryer. I don't care what you do. On a rack, and hit them with salt right away. These make the best appetizer. What dinner?
Crispy, sweet, rich coconut flavor through and through.
That's coconut flavor.
The carrot coconut with the spicy avocado together, that's amazing. You gotta mix them together. Double dip all day long. It's so good.
That's not just a coconut coating. That's coconut flavor on coconut crispy chicken.